Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a massive moment for Mercedes-Benz and the future of electric vehicles. The German automaker has just launched the production of the next-generation all-electric CLA at its historic Rastatt plant, and this isn't just about building a car. It's about launching the next era of automotive manufacturing with AI, a digital twin, and for the first time ever, the Mercedes-Benz Operating System, MB.OS. Let's break down how the new CLA is redefining premium EV production. The new CLA marks the beginning of a brand new vehicle family from Mercedes, sitting on the company's innovative MMA platform. While we're still waiting on final specs for the CLA itself, what we do know is that it's designed to combine the sleek styling of a four-door coupe with the efficiency and intelligence of a next-generation EV. But the real story here is how it's being made, using cutting-edge simulation, AI, and green energy to bring this electric vision to life. At the Rastatt plant in Baden-Württemberg, Mercedes-Benz is unveiling a digital-first production model unlike anything we've seen before. The factory has been digitally remodeled with high-precision simulation software, enabling engineers to set up and optimize an entirely new production line, virtually. The result? Hall 4.0 is now fully optimized to build electric vehicles like the CLA alongside hybrids and combustion models, all on a single-drive flexible line. And here's where it gets futuristic. The new CLA is the first production model to integrate MB.OS, a chip-to-cloud software architecture that connects every CLA to the Mercedes-Benz intelligent cloud. That means over-the-air updates, centralized control, and a whole new level of digital capability. It's like giving your car a neural network straight from the factory floor. Software innovation and vehicle production are no longer separate, they're fused. But Mercedes didn't stop at digital tools. The company has brought artificial intelligence to the paint booths, literally. AI-controlled processes now manage energy consumption and ramp up efficiency, cutting emissions and costs at the same time. That's a 20% reduction in energy usage just from smarter automation. The factory is already carbon neutral, powered by green electricity and up to 8 MWp of solar energy, and it's adding an 11 MWh organic battery storage system for even more sustainability. The production network supporting the CLA is equally impressive. The electric drive units come from the legendary Untertürkheim plant in Stuttgart, while lithium-ion batteries are built in Kamenz, where over 2 million packs have already been assembled. Structural components come from Kamenz, which also leads Mercedes-Benz battery recycling program. This level of vertical integration and material circularity gives the CLA production process a true eco-edge. Looking ahead, production will expand beyond Germany. MB.OS in Beijing will build the CLA for the Chinese market, including local battery and drive unit production. The Hungarian plant in Kecskemét will also begin producing future variants of this new EV family. It's a global rollout, but with roots deeply planted in German engineering. Plus, finished vehicles are now transported using electric trucks, adding another step towards zero-emissions logistics. So what we're witnessing here is more than just a new model launch. The new electric CLA symbolizes Mercedes-Benz commitment to smart, sustainable, and digitalized manufacturing. With MB.OS, AI-powered factories, solar energy, and a closed-loop supply chain, the CLA isn't just the future of Mercedes, it's a living blueprint for the automotive industry. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Does this make Mercedes the EV tech leader to beat? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews and EV insights from the front lines of the industry.